So my name's Clare. I'm the home manager of this beautiful manor house in Roundhay. It is a residential home with 65 bedrooms and it's in the fantastic location of Roundhay Park. So for us, it's essential. It's a beautiful environment, but it's somebody's home. So to have a lovely, homely, comfortable environment is key. In terms of the cosy fit and how it works with the manor houses, it has a perfect look for the home that we actually want to achieve. If you look at the profile beds, they can be clinical. The cosies have made a massive difference to making the room look really elegant and homely for people to enjoy. We've asked people's opinions about them and the residents absolutely love them. At the end of the day, it's their home and they're really happy with the look of them. It's a very simple and innovative creation that actually makes a massive difference. The cost of these is actually very good. If you were replacing a whole bed, that would be an extremely high cost.
Hello, I'm David Higginson. I'm the maintenance lead at the Manor House Roundhay, responsible for the building and the grounds. So when it comes to the cosies, for myself, they are so easy to install. You need no training. Anyone can do it in minutes. From an infection control point of view, they are really easy to clean, really easy to maintain, and very easy to take on and off the beds where required.
We are extremely delighted to be part of the Knight Frank Awards competition, and I think having the cosies actually added that little bit extra for us. The rooms look elegant with the cosies in place. We're really excited about working with Harvest Healthcare because, as we said, this product is absolutely phenomenal and it fits so well with the luxury brand of care homes. But actually our vision to have our home as a beautiful, comfortable, cosy environment for people to enjoy is the key. We're very excited about working on future projects with Harvest Healthcare.